I believe everybody deserves to live with dignity. When I took office in 2019, Precinct 2 ranked among the worst in health outcomes in Harris County. The lowest life expectancy rate, the highest rate of chronic disease, the highest rate of uninsured. My team and I got to work immediately, leveraging our partnerships and creativity to help Precinct 2 residents live healthier lives.
This is an expandable, portable smart pod, which is an 8 by 20 shipping container that opens, kind of like an origami box, into a medical facility 3 times its size. The smart pod is an example of something that was developed for global applications, specifically the 2014 West African Ebola epidemic. But we realized that global could be local, and it would have local applications in underserved areas of the US to provide community-based health care. And it provides basic clinical care and management of COVID because it has negative pressure isolation for patients with any kind of respiratory disease. In the United States, Precinct 2 is currently the only site for the smart pods, and it also allows care that can be moved, relocated, and used during a hurricane, because in Houston we have hurricanes, at any time, because this can fold up in about 20 minutes. I would say this is a perfect partnership. It brings Baylor's innovation and medical expertise with Precinct 2's access to the community, knowledge, and most importantly, Precinct 2 and Commissioner Garcia's vision to provide care to the community in a truly innovative way.
During my career in law enforcement and elected office, I saw firsthand the critical need for mental health services and support in our community. Many end up in the criminal justice system because their mental health condition is untreated and later compounded by other factors like substance abuse. This is why at Precinct 2, we view mental health as an extension of overall health. In my role as County Commissioner, I've made it a priority to invest in the mental health of our residents.
We were really excited when Precinct 2 reached out with the idea of partnering on a smart pod that had behavioral health services and supports that would be placed at the community center where people would readily be able to access it. We saw it as a great opportunity to expand access, create a nice, probably comfortable setting for people to come to in their own community where they're already used to being, and recognize that they could gather support and services from us right there on site, both remote and in person. We have both that are happening in that pod, and it's a really exciting opportunity for us to think about how we partner and get out into the community, and all that was made available through that partnership with Precinct 2.